Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired October 6th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Unveiling the Omnipresence of Divine Truth. Swami, your insights.
The kingdom of heaven is at hand with conscious awareness. Warning, it isn't found in persons, places, or things, but within consciousness. So to the Spirit means know the truth.
Looking to bring forth the light within? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam